Hi guys, my name is Mar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please hit the like and subscribe. And if you have been here before, welcome back. I already did this box already, but my mic wasn't all the way up and it kept doing the dee 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 sound, so I figured I had to do it again. Disclaimer, I am not an expert in makeup or beauty or anything. I just like to try new things. I like makeup. I like to just try new things. I'm an impulse buyer, and if I see something I like, I usually buy it. So I know that my Boxycharm videos don't get as many views as my other videos, but I still like my Boxycharm, and I don't see me canceling anytime soon. So I figure, hey, I'm gonna let you guys see what I get in this box. So let's start. And also I want to show you guys my Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette. I had to order the pre-sale. Like I said, I'm an impulse buyer, and I ordered the pre-sale. I don't know why. Maybe because it was a pre-sale and it was like a limited quantity, and maybe I wanted to be one of those people that got one. I have no idea, because like I said, I only use one palette usually, and that's the Ace Beauty palette that Kim Kardashian was like advertising a long time ago, with those highlighter drops that she poured like a lot in her hands. That's the only palette I usually use. So I don't know why I keep buying makeup and I keep buying palette. I'm kind of like those people that just buy stuff just because I guess they want it. I know I gotta stop. It reminds me, like every time I see those Boxycharm pictures thing, like somebody say you need to stop buying makeup, and I'm like, what? That's me kind of. So let's go and start with this box. The first thing, this is the box Whimsy, and I got number 13. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's gonna be probably a little blurry, but hey, that's it. The first item is this Daily Concept hair towel wrap thing. I really like this because I do use them sometimes. I'm kind of like those people that I have curly hair, right? Yeah, we all know that. But I don't like to use like a dryer. I like to like air dry, and sometimes I don't like the feel of like wet hair in my back. I don't know if you guys can relate to me, but I do like to use wrap sometimes. I do have that gray one that I have shown in my other videos, so I'm excited for this. The next item is one of the items that I picked, that I was mentioning how confused I was about the products that I picked. And it's this face roller thing, and it's face and body massage. Okay, I'm okay with that. And it's this one here. Let me show you guys so you guys can see how it kind of rotates. So it just rotates, doesn't vibrate. I thought it vibrated. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I don't know how to use it, but we'll figure it out. That's the next item. Let's put everything back so I won't lose anything. The next item is the Ciate London Confetti Highlighter. There's my ring. My ring is showing in my lights. Oh my gosh, I gotta figure out how to do this. Let me just get it out of the box so you guys can see real quick. And it's just a highlighter. I'm not big into highlighters. I hardly ever wear any. Oh, because I have like such an oily skin that, you know, I shine like a diamond by myself on my own. I don't need anything else to help me shine like a diamond. So I saw this on the Boxycharm Instagram thing, and I thought it was like a pot of food. Maybe I was hungry, I don't know, but it looks nice. I just don't like this too much. I don't like highlighters. I hardly ever wear any. Like I said, I'm very oily, so I already shine a lot, so I don't need any more shine on my face. The next one is this Elemis Rose Facial Oil, and I think, oh, it smells like roses. Smells really good. Smells good. This, I thought like the pinkish color was like another type of oil or something that it mixed, but it's just a bottle. Trick me. This bottle tricked me, guys. That's okay. Smells awesome. Smells really good. I love the smell of roses. I have like a bunch of roses in my backyard because my mom also loves roses. The next product is this soy face cleanser, and it's just a cleanser. I hesitate when I get things like this for my face, like cleansers and stuff like that, only because, like I mentioned before, I am doing Curology. So I don't know how that's gonna work with my regimen. And now that I did the dermaplaning, if you guys haven't seen my video, go back and watch my dermaplaning video. I really like how my face feels. I'm gonna keep doing it a few more times just to see. Actually, it was more like shaving my face or the peach fuzz and everything, and it feels so smooth. Supposedly it's supposed to help with your pores too, because it takes care of the dead skin, the dead skin of your face. You know, and the dead skin cells clog your pores. It's supposed to help with breakouts and everything, and large pores. So let's see how that goes. The next product is some dry shampoo. My kids will love that. I have curly hair, so I don't do dry shampoo unless I flat iron my hair, and I'm really trying not to flat iron my hair. So the next product is this Too Faced 2 Night Stand lip gloss. I think it's pretty to go over something else. Probably know by itself, because I don't see me, like, I don't wear too much lip gloss, but I do like matte lipstick, so I can see myself using this on top of another color. The next product is this Green Grass what? Beach hair for the hair. So I can see my kids wearing that too, or using that too, because they do have stray hair. Well, one has more stray hair than the other, so they might like that because they do like to do some waves on their hair. They do use curly ones and curly iron and everything, so they do like that. And the last product I see is this storybook right here, Fairy Tale Storybooks Cosmetics, and it looks really nice. I like the colors. I haven't worn blue in a long time. The only time I wore like a blue eyeshadow was when Carrie Underwood, like years and years ago, Carrie Underwood was like doing some Maybelline eyeshadow thing. I think it was Maybelline, like 3 colors or something like that, with the crease, the lid, and whatever. And she had like a blue one, and I think that was the only time I ever wore a blue. I normally like gravitate to like the natural brown colors and things like that. I haven't even done a red either. You know, I need to experiment a little more with makeup, because I do have a lot of makeup that I have to use. This box is nice. I love the design and everything, but my own opinion, personal opinion, I don't know if you guys like it, I think it's a little bulky. Like, if I take this on vacation, that's gonna take like most of my makeup bag, because my makeup bag is not that big, and I always throw a bunch of stuff in it. But I like the design. I like that it's the eyeshadow one, because I think they have another one only like with like 6 colors. I don't know what that is, because I didn't get it. So maybe it's the blush. Can it be blush? I don't know if it's blush or not, but it's only like 6 colors, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 colors. So I like it. I like the colors. Maybe I can get maybe I get to experiment a little bit more with it. That's it. I think I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products, and I said that I was gonna show you guys my Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson palette. I was excited to get it only because, like I said, it was a pre-sale, and I was one of the lucky ones that got this palette, because they only made, I don't even know how many units. He said like 60,000 units that they were gonna make, but it's sold like right away. So here's my palette. Like I said, I don't wear makeup that much, but I love makeup. I have no idea why, but hey, maybe you guys can help me decide what to do with it. Should I do a giveaway, or should I just keep it? You know, it's only fair for me to say that this is bulky, only because I was mentioning the last palette, the Blue Book palette, and this is very bulky, but it is It's pretty. I like it. It's kind of like mysterious dark vibes. That's what I get. So here are the colors. Let me see if I can show you this way so you guys can see. Here are the colors. I think they are beautiful. They were talking about that yellow one, saying that they use like I don't know how many years worth of products. I don't understand that. I think it's crazy, but I really like it. It's pretty. What do you guys think? Let me know if you guys would like me to do a giveaway with it or just keep it. I don't know. I'll decide depending on how many recommendations I get or how many things. I don't even know how to say it, but that's it. If you guys like this video, if you're just like me, just somebody that loves makeup and beauty things and have no clue, we can learn together. You can come to my channel and we can learn together. I always read you guys' advice and your opinions, and please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.